Hi, in this video, I will show you how to add YouTube link on TikTok. So first is you have to make sure that you have updated your TikTok application. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and just type in TikTok there. And if you will, and under here, if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my TikTok application is updated. Now let's go back to our homepage and just open your TikTok application. And it will lead you here directly to your homepage or your feed. Now, on the bottom part, you will see profile. You click on that. And under that one, you could see edit profile in the middle. Click on that and then scroll all the way down and you will see social. You could connect to Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. And then click on YouTube and then it will redirect you here to choose the email of your YouTube. And then let's say I want to choose this one. Then if you scroll back here, you will see your YouTube channel. So let's go back here. Let's open our TikTok again and go back to profile. And as you can see, beside the edit profile, you will see the YouTube icon, which means that you have successfully linked your YouTube account to your TikTok. So basically, that is how you add YouTube link on TikTok. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.